When I first saw this property, I have to admit I was distracted by, well, everything and the nudes. Eclectic would be the best way to describe its style, if it had any style. The question is, have we managed to tame the beast of Inverloch? Rawr! The front yard has certainly left its jungle days behind. Looks like Tarzan will have to go elsewhere. These archways are, dare I say, a masterpiece, Charlie, and the spa has been given a new lease of life. Love a bit of repurposing in the garden. Now, this backyard makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. A nice big decking area for entertaining, new paving, and oodles of lawn space. Those dogs won't know what to do with themselves. Look at this, a brand new kitchen, cabinetry, bench tops, new appliances, and new lighting. You're a wonder, Shayna. This kitchen is enough to make any Tom, Dick or Harry take to cooking. And the dingy living area has gone from drab to fab. Never have I been more relieved to see carpet. That mosaic floor, while a work of art, was enough to make me nauseous. This space has very cleverly morphed into a rumpus room the whole family can enjoy. This house was never going to suit everybody, but now at least it's going to appeal to somebody. We've still got all the original charm and character, just what the agent ordered. I bet Fleur and her colleagues now can sell this.